आईआईटी मंडी ने पोर्क टेपवॉर्म के कारण होने वाली मिर्गी की बीमारी की रोकथाम के लिए वैक्सीन बनाई है। इस वैक्सीन पर स्कूल ऑफ बायोसाइंसेज और बायो इंजीनियरिंग के एसोसिएट प्रोफेसर डॉक्टर अमित प्रसाद के नेतृत्व में शोध किया गया है। इस शोध को पंजाब के दयानंद मेडिकल कॉलेज और हॉस्पिटल के वैज्ञानिकों और हिमाचल प्रदेश के CSIR हिमालयन बायो रिसोर्स प्रौद्योगिकी संस्थान के वैज्ञानिकों के सहयोग से किया गया। साधारण भाषा में कहें तो पोर्क टेपवॉर्म एक प्रकार का कीड़ा होता है जो शरीर के अंदर संक्रमणों के अलावा मस्तिष्क के गंभीर संक्रमण को फैलाता है। हालांकि मिर्गी बहुत से कारणों से होती है, लेकिन अध्ययन में पता चला है कि 45% मिर्गी की बीमारी पोर्क टेपवॉर्म के कारण होती है। डॉक्टर अमित प्रसाद ने बताया कि जो वैक्सीन बनाई है वो इसकी रोकथाम में सहायक साबित होगी। यदि इस वैक्सीन को प्रोटेक्शन के तौर पर लगाया जाएगा तो पोर्क टेपवॉर्म के कारण होने वाली मिर्गी की बीमारी की संभावना कम होगी।
We have developed a multi-epitope chimeric vaccine for a disease which is called neurocysticercosis. This disease is caused by the common tapeworm. The common tapeworm, it doesn't only affect the intestine. The eggs of this parasite can, with the water or the food, can go to the brain and causes epilepsy. And from one study of WHO, it is estimated that around 30% of the acquired epilepsy happens due to the infection of this neurocysticercosis in endemic areas. And in endemic area, India and Southeast Asia is a prominent one. So every year the government is spending so much money for deworming and to protect against all these kind of the helminthic infection. So problem is that deworming pills you have to take every year, and the outreach of this deworming is limited. Best way to protect against the infectious disease is vaccination. But as I said that this disease is mostly prevalent in the endemic area, which are poor communities. So not much effort is given to develop a vaccine. So these diseases are called neglected disease. So in our recent study, what we have done, that we have combined the strength of the proteomics and the developing field of immunoinformatics to design a multi-epitope vaccine which will be effective for the treatment or for the vaccination across the globe. The vaccines are not there and the disease is prevalent, and this is causing the epilepsy. So this vaccine, which we designed from taking the whole proteome of the parasite, we found that is very much effective, and it can activate both the humoral and the cellular immunity, and it will be effective for a long period of the time. So this work was done with in collaboration with the Professor Gagandeep Singh from the Dayanand Medical College, Ludhiana, and Dr. Rajiv from the IHBT Palampur. If you will ask what is going to give the impact of this research, the way we have designed this vaccine, this is not only going to help only for this disease. This can be used for all neglected disease like ascariasis, giardiasis, dengue, chikungunya, which has the limited resource or the spending by the pharmaceutical companies less. By using these combined technique, we can design a vaccine in short term and with very high efficiency.
फेसबुक पर पोल स्टार हिमाचल का पेज लाइक करें और यूट्यूब पर हमारा चैनल सब्सक्राइब करना ना भूलें।